folks, this is the southbound Amtrak code Starlight number 11. Now departing Emeryville Station with a P42 DC number 5, P42 DC number 151 Taylor. Engineering, close the door next time. Alright, enjoy your ride on the cold Starlight. See you later. I know you guys are 3 hours behind schedule. Alright folks, look at that train. That train is going to Los Angeles. This train is behind schedule. Alright folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Happy Friday. The next train is coming is 5:32, which is I'm not going to record.